Good morning, guys, and welcome to my channel. And today is 3rd of August 2020. So now let's see some of the stocks are in news. So here today is stocks is a Bandhan Bank, which says that Bandhan Bank holders seeks 1.4 billion in stock sales. So they are saying Bandhan Bank main shareholder Bandhan Financial Holding is selling 337.4 million share in Indian lenders in block trade seeking to raise 1.4 billion according to a deal teams obtained by Bloomberg News. So they are basically saying that they are going to sell the stocks of 337.4 million shares in the Indian lenders in a block basis. They have offered these stocks to Credit Suisse Securities Private Limited and JP Morgan Private Limited, etc., etc. And this deal will completed on 11:30 p.m. in Hong Kong times, and it will start on 3rd August in India. So today is on Monday, so Indian market will be opened. So I am thinking to say buy the Bandhan stock, because after they buy and they're going to buy these stocks, and Bandhan Bank stocks may go very high. So I will be looking at a Bandhan Bank today. So guys, you also check the Bandhan Bank, and it will be very helpful for you. And then SBI, there will be I will be tracking SBI stocks, because SBI has reported that first quarter they have made 81% rise in their profit, which is 4,189 crore, but Moratorium has declined their profit to 9.5%. So I will be also be looking at the stocks of SBI, which is the largest country, India's largest public sector bank, and they have reported that they have made a 36.8% profit in this year. So it will be very important to look at the SBI and watch its stocks and wait for the price action to buy these stocks. And I think it will give you 10 to 12% in a day, or it can rise to up to 20 rupees. If you have a stock, one stock can give you 20 rupees, that is enough for intraday traders, and I will be completely looking in these stocks. So next is the gold price. So if somebody is interested in MCX tradings, multi-commodity index trading, that in this stock, this information is very important for them, because as you know, the international market scenario are going on to China and US. There is a tension between rising, so international market basically going for the investment, where secure investment basically. And in the world there is a two secure investment, which one is in crude oil, and there is another is gold. So it is not shocking for me that a gold price will going to go to high, or crude oil price will go to high. So if someone is interested in MCX trading, then I will simply advise you to invest in gold or in crude oil. So in the past upcoming 10 to 12 days, you can have a tremendous profit, or you have as a intraday trader or swing trader, you can have a tremendous amount of profit. So if you are a swing trader, or intraday trader, that you can watch for the gold pricing, and you can invest in it. Next is Escort. Guys, Escort, today Escort has this article has been published by Money Control, a very prestigious website. So I also track this, and they have published one news that Escort bids on Agri BSE division to drive overall performance in fishing. I will make sure understand you in simple language. That means Escorts are actually Farm equipment and engineering major escort means they are farm equipment manufacturer, and they have reported a high increase in demand of tractors in rural areas. So escort stocks is very at a low position currently right now, but it as this report has published on today on 2:52 a.m. means on midnight. So it is possible that at when the stock markets opens today, that it will go very high. So my advice to you to look for this stock for buying options, so that will be better. So that will all about. Now let's go for the Mahindras. Mahindra cars, or MMM, Mahindra and Mahindra, have declared that the car sale of 2020 is declined by 34%, but tractor sale grow to 28%. That will not going to help Mahindra, because the Mahindra stocks, whatever I have seen earlier, it is basically showing a downtrend, and it is also possible that after releasing this news or this article, and they have the stocks price can tremendously go fall. Okay, and the Mahindra and Mahindra tractor, there is a data they have shown for the July 2020, that you can see there is a complete overall decline of 14% in their sale in their merchandise. So I simply wanted to sell these stocks. If I am going to sell these stocks on today, so you also think about it and watch for it and act accordingly. So that is next, IOCL. It is a very important news for those who are interested in PSU sectors, means though IOCL, BPCL. So there is a good news for IOCL, that IOCL going to invest 13,805 crore to set up a new plant in Odisha. So they're going to set up a new plant. That is a good news. So I hope that every means that is a good news for a stock, and good news for us, because if a new inventory get generated, or IOC on anything